Welcome to Blueprints for Peace, the podcast exploring timeless principles for creating a harmonious world. I'm Aria.
And I am Badi.
And today we delve into the profound teachings of Abdu'l-Bahá, a visionary whose blueprint for peace and security, presented 112 years ago, remains strikingly relevant in our time.
Born in 1844, Abdu'l-Bahá was the eldest son of Baha'u'llah, the founder of the Bahai faith. Known for his wisdom, humility, and service to humanity, Abdu'l-Bahá played a pivotal role in spreading the teachings of his father and exemplifying the principles of the Bahai faith. His life was a testament to unity, peace, and justice ideals.
In 1912, Abdu'l-Bahá embarked on a historic journey to the United States and Europe. His purpose was clear: to promote universal peace and unity among the world's diverse peoples. During his travels, he met with leaders, scholars, and ordinary citizens, sharing his vision for a better world.
Abdu'l-Bahá's blueprint for peace was comprehensive and far-reaching. He identified several root causes of conflict and discomfort in society, which he believed needed to be addressed to achieve lasting peace. These included racial prejudice, economic inequality, excessive nationalism, religious sectarianism, and the lack of spiritual values.
Let's break down these principles and explore their relevance both then and now.
Racial unity.
Abdu'l-Bahá emphasized the importance of racial unity and the elimination of prejudice. He believed that all humans are part of one family and that racial discrimination is a major barrier to peace.
Today, racial tensions and systemic racism continue to plague societies worldwide. Movements like Black Lives Matter highlight the ongoing struggle for racial equality. Imagine if Abdu'l-Bahá's call for racial unity had been heeded 112 years ago, how different might our world be today?
Economic justice.
Economic inequality was another critical issue for Abdu'l-Bahá. He advocated for the elimination of extreme wealth disparities and the establishment of economic justice. In our modern world, the gap between the rich and the poor has only widened, leading to social unrest and instability.
Addressing economic inequality remains crucial for achieving social harmony and peace.
Global cooperation.
Excessive nationalism, according to Abdu'l-Bahá, was a significant cause of conflict. He promoted the idea of global cooperation and unity, urging nations to work together for the common good.
Today, rising nationalism and geopolitical tensions threaten global stability. Embracing Abdu'l-Bahá's vision of global unity could help mitigate these issues and foster a more peaceful world.
Religious tolerance.
Religious intolerance and sectarianism were also major concerns for Abdu'l-Bahá. He called for religious tolerance and the unity of all faiths.
In our diverse societies, religious conflicts continue to cause significant suffering. Promoting interfaith dialogue and understanding is essential for building peaceful communities.
Spiritual values.
Finally, Abdu'l-Bahá emphasized the importance of spiritual and moral values in public and private life. He believed that the absence of these values leads to societal decay and conflict.
Today, the erosion of ethical standards and the focus on materialism contribute to many of our societal problems. Reinforcing spiritual values can lead to more ethical behavior and sustainable practices.
Despite the clarity and foresight of Abdu'l-Bahá's blueprint, it was largely neglected by the international community and stakeholders of his time.
The consequences of this negligence are evident in the conflicts and crises that have plagued the 20th and 21st centuries, including the two world wars. However, the validity of Abdu'l-Bahá's blueprint remains undiminished.
His principles are not only relevant but urgently needed in today's world. By integrating modern considerations such as technology, environmental sustainability, and mental health, his teachings can be made even more compelling for contemporary audiences.
Future implications.
If we fail to address these root causes, the future could see even greater challenges. Climate change, economic inequality, technological disparities, geopolitical tensions, and health crises could become more pronounced, leading to increased conflict and instability.
But there is hope. By embracing Abdu'l-Bahá's vision and applying his principles, we can work towards a more peaceful, just, and harmonious world. It's a blueprint that calls for the attention of all humanity and stakeholders.
Thank you for joining us on Blueprints for Peace.
We hope this episode has inspired you to reflect on the timeless wisdom of Abdu'l-Bahá and consider how his teachings can be applied in our modern world.
Stay tuned for more episodes where we explore other visionary ideas for creating a better future. Until next time, I'm Aria.
And I am Badi,
Wishing you peace and unity.